you guys, in this video I will be showing you a genius way to stuff your balloons with baby shower gifts. Yes, stuffing your balloon with baby shower gifts. So if you can please do me a favor, if you can please hit that like button and subscribe. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, we're going to rock with this clear cake box. And we're going to use a piece of this foam. Just cut a piece of foam. About like that. Alright, and we simply going to glue the foam directly on the lid. Now, as you gluing it down, make sure it is in the center of the box. Okay, once you do that, just take a couple of pieces of tape. And you're going to tape the front and the back of the box. Now, if you need help assembling your box and putting it together, please check out my other video. And I'll show you step by step how to assemble your cake box. All right, so now all we're going to do is dig a hole in the center of the foam with some type of tool. Okay, you want to make sure it's not too big, just like that. Once you do that, you're going to grab ribbon of your choice. We are rocking with 1.5 inches. Okay, so you see that seam right there? This is going to be your back. Okay, so you want to glue the ribbon on the side of your box. Okay, see, I messed up. See how I glued it directly right there? That's wrong. That's wrong. Let me show you. Let's redo that. Let's redo that. Add your glue. And then as you add your ribbon, you want to hang a little bit of the ribbon over the edge of the box. Like that. Okay? You see that? Okay. And now you're just going to wrap the ribbon around the box nice and tight. And do the exact same thing to the other side. Allowing a little bit of ribbon to hang over. All right, boom, just like that. And we're simply going to glue down the ribbon now, just like that. Just tucking it underneath. See how it gives it a cleaner look? That's what you want. See that? Okay, now we're going to take 4 pieces of ribbon, about arm's length. You can use 2, but I like to look at 4, and it secure the balloon better. And I'm just going to take a piece of the pink ribbon and the green, and I'm simply going to glue the green on top of the pink. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to glue the ribbon on the edge of the box, and as you putting your ribbon on, you want to make sure it lines up with the green ribbon that is on the clear cake box portion. And you want it to hang down just a little bit, just like we did before. See how it's hanging over a little bit, the ribbon? Okay, and you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. All right, now you want to glue the little sides of the ribbon. You want to glue those down just like that. Now you see it gives it a nice clean look. I'm just going to do that to both sides. All right, now the preparation of our box is complete. Now we're going to rock with these bubble balloons. These are 24 inches. And it is a wide neck bubble balloon. And you simply want to stretch out your balloon just like this. Okay, so now all we're going to do is simply blow up our balloon and release the air. Okay, so we're going to rock with these onesies right here. They are so cute. And we are going to do a Princess and the Frog themed baby shower gift, okay? So these are what all three of them look like. We're going to rock with the first one. Okay, so we're going to get this one ready. Now, it looks kind of plain to go in a balloon. So I'm going to throw in a stuffed animal. Just a little itty bitty stuffed animal right here. Okay, we're going to throw him in here. Okay. I'm just going to cut that piece off right there. And it still look kind of plain, y'all. So I'm going to add an artificial flower. Just for a little pop. Just a little pop. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue there so it won't, because it's kind of sharp, so it won't poke like the balloon or nothing. You see that? Okay, and for extra security, so my flower will not come apart in the balloon, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to the stem and the leaf portion. Okay, so now we're going to attach the flower using our tag gun, okay? Just like that. Okay, now we're going to attach the leaf portion to the hand for extra security and to hold it in place. And now we're going to attach the frog to the onesie, okay? Using the tag gun. Okay, you guys. There is going to be a part 2, so if you could please check out part 2 to see how everything comes together. And it is so cute. So make sure y'all check out part 2 to finish off this beautiful baby shower balloon gift. All right. And with that being said, you guys, I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed one.